Hello Monster Jam fans and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Monster Dirt Spin Master Monster Jam playset. Well, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the second Monster Dirt playset I have gotten from Spin Master. This one is the Blue Thunder playset. Previously we have seen the one with the Megalodon, which I did a video about probably a couple days ago. If this is uploaded in a week or so, it was a couple days ago. So we're going to take a look at the Blue Thunder one today. I did mention it in that video. I didn't show it on camera, but here it is, the Monster Dirt starter set for Blue Thunder. It has the authentic logo, of course, for Monster Jam, and it is all new for 2019, of course, because Spin Master is now out in the public. And it does feature a different style ramp than Blue Thunder had, a little saw and shovel, and of course the Blue Thunder truck itself with the exclusive look for this pack, which is blue rims and mud treads. So you guys will only be able to buy this truck inside this pack. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. So here it is, the Blue Thunder for the Kinetic Sand Monster Dirt playset. This is the other playset compared to the one I already reviewed before, which you guys probably saw. If you guys didn't see it, I'll put it at the end of the video, which is Megalodon's playset. This is what the ramp looks like for Megalodon. It's a 3-part ramp. You got 1 part here, 2 parts, and then this side here. So it's a little bit different. This one actually has only 2 ramps. And then, of course, that was Megalodon that came with it. So that's the Megalodon playset exclusive. This is the Blue Thunder exclusive. You got the blue rims, the mud treads, and the gray chassis, which are all exclusive parts of this truck to this playset. And here's the Double Down Showdown pack Blue Thunder, which featured the gray rims, the chrome chassis, and of course, no mud treads. But this is the comparison between the two. This is, again, exclusive to this pack. You will not be able to find it anywhere else besides this playset. So this is a starter pack, just like the Megalodon was. So if you guys are trying to start building your Kinetic Sand playset arenas or stadiums, you guys can start with these little packs. They're $9.99, really good price and really good quality. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So there's the Monster Jam logo, of course. And here's the little tool you get. You get the little Monster Jam logo, the saw side, and the little shovel. So here we go. Whoa, okay, that fell right out. So here it is, the little ramp that is built by the Kinetic Sand, or Monster Dirt as it's called. It's very compacted. This one's really compact, really firm. So let's see how well it handles against constant pressure on the truck. So I'm kind of pushing really hard down and seeing how well the dirt will handle against a truck if a kid or someone was playing with it. So it takes a while to actually start to even break down. And this one especially is taking a while. So you can see it does do a lot, just great for play. It doesn't really break down that much. You can tell, you can kind of see the treads here, but nothing really destroyed this ramp. So this one's definitely going to hold up really well against constant play with it. So let's see what the saw does. In the Megalodon playset, we got this little shovel and little, I'm not sure what this is actually. I think it's for designing stuff, but this is the little saw. So if you guys want to cut off pieces of the ramp, you guys just do a little saw and it'll eventually come off. So you can see there, I kind of cut down the middle of this portion. So there you go. I'm not sure exactly what it's for. I'm just assuming that's the saw. And then you can kind of cut down that part and make little pieces. I don't know, maybe jammers or just like a barrier. I don't know. So that's that. Or maybe crush cars. You can imagine they're crush cars. And then, of course, you got a shovel side to dig parts off. So this shovel works really well. So you can see it kind of digs it off. Whoops, I just flung it all the way back there. But super cool stuff. Really, you know, kid-friendly and also adult-friendly because, of course, adults like this stuff too. And this is a great little starter set for those people who are trying to start building maybe an arena. I've actually got a lot of comments and suggestions to build one myself, and people are actually telling me they're going to build their own with these sets. So that's pretty cool because they will do really well with, you know, building arenas and stuff. So I can't wait to see how creative this community gets with this stuff. This is infinite creativity, possibilities. There's so many things you could do with this, and I'm sure we'll be seeing some cool Kinetic Sand Monster Dirt playsets in the future from Spin Master. And this year is going to be great. 2019 is finally here, and we can all celebrate together by buying some Spin Master products and, of course, celebrating this Monster Dirt stuff. So there it is. There's the exclusive truck, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about this set in the comments below, and please, if you guys have not watched my previous video with Megalodon on this set, you guys can go and watch that. I'll tag it at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan of Monster Jam OCD, signing out.